Hello, my people. Welcome to GLAATORY. Today, I brought you this egg tart recipe. This is very easy recipe that you can make on your own. All you need to do is just to follow the steps I'll be showing you here. I'm using room temperature butter and I'll be creaming it until it's pale in color and very fluffy. So you can see I'll be adding my sugar and I'll continue creaming it. I'll be adding 2 egg yolks. So don't worry, I'll be placing all the ingredients, the right measurement that I use for this recipe on my comment section and description. Make sure you check it out here. I added my flavor, my vanilla flavor. So this is very easy and well detailed step by step recipe for this egg tart. You can see very creamy. And here I'm adding my flour. I divided my flour into 2. So I added the first part for this. And I'll add the remaining one later. Here I'll be using my spatula to finish the job. I'll add the remaining flour. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. And for those seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at GLAATORY and on my Facebook at GLAATORY Flavors. Follow my page and like and love my video because it has a long way. You don't have to pay. Just love it or like it and comment and share. Okay, here I'll be placing my dough on a cling wrap and allow it to rest for 30 minutes on the refrigerator. So I'll place it on my refrigerator. Here I'm mixing the wet ingredient, and here is hot water and I added sugar. I will mix everything to well combine until the water comes clear. You can see how clear the hot water sugar is. Here I'm using 4 whole eggs and I'll whisk all to well combine. I'll add my milk. And now I'll be adding my hot sugar water mixture together inside the egg mixture, and I'll mix everything to well combine. I'll add my vanilla flavors. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. Here I'm sealing everything. As you can see, I'll be setting this aside for 30 minutes on the refrigerator. So here is ready for me to make my dough, to form the dough. So here I decided to use this foil mold for this egg tart. So if you have the other kind of mold, it's okay, you can still use it. But here I couldn't lay hand on it, so this is the one I have, and it still serves the purpose. Please like my video, love it. It has a way of encouraging me on this journey. And always comment on my video. You can show me love by sending me some emojis. It's still good. And follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video. You can see everything is ready. So here I'm poking the whole dough. The reason is not to allow it to puff. At least the air will have a place and it will not be puffing up. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. You can see now it's very easy. You can do it. All you need to do is just to follow the steps and you will get it right. So now I'll be baking this. Yeah. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.